Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. You know, I've got myself maybe 6 to 8 of these fantastic scooters, but the OTD is the best of the bunch. This thing is phenomenal. Let me tell you all about it. We're gonna kick it off right about now. Now the OTD, one thing that's fantastic about this has a range well over 20 miles, like 22 miles. It's also got a great LED headlight on it that's going to be super powerful. It's a 500 watt scooter, so it is going to last a long amount of time. And the sheer power of this thing, if you're a bigger guy weighing north of 250 pounds, maybe even 260, 264, this scooter will still move you around just fine. Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I've got the best of the best, one of the best scooters on the market right now. It's the OTD. This is a fantastic scooter, and let me tell you about why it's so much better than the competition. First off, it's got a great and powerful headlight right in front to where you can really be seen, particularly in dim light situations. This thing goes 15 miles an hour. It's 500 watts, and this thing will go over 20 miles, like 22 miles. And on top of all of that, this fantastic scooter has a much larger base than the competition, which means you're gonna have plenty of room for your feet. It's gonna be better for balance. And like I said, if you're a bigger guy, north of 200, 260 pounds, this thing is going to be perfect for you because it supports a heavier weight. Now, there's so many great things about this. The high-end braking system, the actual tires, some of these just come with kind of just plastic. These are real tires, they're really powerful. The braking is incredible, and this thing is built for a larger person. This thing at 500 watts is going to be high speed, low drag, really a fantastic device. Okay, now it's got everything you need, reflectors. This has got the back reflector, and it is just a really, really fantastic product. Now it's got a super speed mode, like I said, the LED headlight. Now personally, I'd pick up 2 of these because then you can ride around with your friends, but with the size, shape, and style of this scooter, you're gonna be loving life. All right. Now I've found sometimes you wanna go out, you wanna have fun with your friends, you wanna get someplace quick, well, a scooter's the best option, particularly in the city, when things are crowded, when you're not sure if it's going to, you're gonna be able to find parking in the city. Well, guess what? You don't have to worry about it with the scooter. It's fast, it's reliable, and this is one of the few scooters that's truly built for adults. Big adult people having no problem with this powerful scooter, the great headlight, and again, no problem accelerating quickly into traffic, hitting that 15 miles per hour, and really, it's got some go. So if you're looking for the best of the best, so you can forget the rest, go ahead and pick this up. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you products we own, we love, and you know you're going to love. Well, guess what? I own it, I love it, and I know you're going to love it as well. So go ahead. If your question is, should I pick up the scooter? The answer is heck yes. It's absolutely fantastic. Available with Amazon Prime, and you know all the good that comes with Amazon Prime. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I'm gonna go get my next package for another video. This thing's absolutely incredible. Adios, amigos.